Hello and welcome back to Autocad. Today we will see how do we use the lofted boss based command in SolidWorks with the help of center line and spline curves. So now I am selecting sketch over here, opening the sketch. Then I will select the front plane and I'm going to make a sketch like this. So here I am creating a curve and now again a line. Again I am creating a curve over here and then I will create a line here like this. So this is how I have created a sketch. Now we need to give it a dimension so that we can assure that it's a fully defined sketch. So the dimension, you can give any dimension as per your choice. So here now this one I'm giving it a radius. Okay, and now this one. Okay, so now we need to give a dimension from this point to this point, and then we can see that this part is fully defined. So here the complete sketch is fully defined. Now I'm exiting the sketch and then we will move to features. Then select reference geometry and plane, and then give the first reference point to this point and the second reference to this line, and we will get a plane perpendicular to the curve we have created. So click on OK, and then we need to create a shape on the plane. So I'm creating a rectangle over here, and then clicking on a smart dimension, I will give it a dimension like this. It's recommended to create a smaller shape over here to avoid any confusion. Okay, so now click on OK and then exit the sketch. Then again go to features and click on reference geometry, then select the plane. Now select this point as the first reference and this line as the second reference, and then we will again get a plane perpendicular to the curve on the second side. Click on OK and then go to sketch and create a sketch again. So I am creating a rectangle again. Click on a smart dimension, then give it a dimension. Okay, so now we have created the sketch. The sketch is fully defined. Click on OK and then exit the sketch. Then we will move to features and select the lofted boss base command. After that, in the profile section, if any sketch is selected, please delete that to avoid any kind of confusion. Then now we will select this sketch here and then the second sketch here as the profile. We need to make sure that the green dots are aligned. So here it is crossing. So I will put it here, and then we can see that the green dots are aligned. Now go to center line parameters and select this box, and then select the curve that we have created. Once the curve is selected, we can see that the loft is following the curve path. So now click on OK and the loft is created. So this is how we create a loft with the help of loft boss base command using the center line. So now I will delete this one, and now I will show you how do we create the shape with the help of guided curve. So again go to sketch, select the sketch, select the plane from here, like I am selecting the front plane, and then select a spline curve and Now we need to hide these planes. So select the spline curve and then go again here, click here and make a guided curve like this. Now again select a spline, click on this point, now make guided curve again. This will be our guided curve. Okay, so now I'm exiting the sketch over here and then go to features and go to lofted boss face, click OK here, and then on the profile section you need to select these two profiles and make sure that the green dots are aligned. If not, then align it. And so now it is aligned, and go to guide curves, then select the upper curve over here and then click on OK, then select the another curve over here and then click on OK, and then we can see that the shape is created. Click OK again and we can see that we have created a shape with the help of lofted command. So this is how we use the lofted command in SolidWorks. I hope you like the video. Please like and please share my video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Have a nice day.